Hello everyone, welcome to Petpooja Payroll tutorials. Approving leaves, attendance fixes and mobile login resets. It should not feel like paperwork. With Petpooja Payroll, every request lands in one single inbox, ready to clear in seconds. Let's see how. From the main dashboard, open the left panel and click Approval Requests. This is your Approvals hub. At the top, you will see three tabs: Pending, Approved and Rejected. The Pending tab shows everything awaiting your action: leave requests, attendance regularizations, and login reset requests, all in one place. Now, looking for a specific request? Use the drop-down on the left to filter by type, or simply search the employee's name in the search box. To take action, just look at the right side of each row. The green tick you see here, this will approve the request, and the red one will reject it. For leaves and regularizations, I would suggest that you click View More first. This opens the full details: the old data, the new data, and the reason your employee shared. Everything. So, you always decide with full context. And when you approve anything, whether it is a leave or a regularization, you will get a quick confirmation pop-up like this. It is just to ensure that you have not clicked it by mistake. If, however, you reject anything, the system will ask you to share a remark so that employees know why. And you will get the confirmation on the screen almost immediately. One screen, one click, and your team is back to work. Try this feature today.